So YouTube just officially launched its dark mode theme and everyone can enable it on their Android phones with the latest update. And in this video I'm gonna show you how. So let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store app and check if your auto update option is turned on or off. Checking it is very easy. Just click on the top left corner and go to my apps and games. You can see it says that the auto update option is turned off. In this case you have to search YouTube and update the app, so let's do that. If your YouTube app is already updated, you will see the open button here. If it's not, you will see the update button. So update the app if required, then open YouTube. The rest is very easy. Just click on your profile icon on the top right corner and go to settings. In the settings, go to general and here you can see the dark theme option. You can enable and disable it from here whenever you wish. It's a very cool feature and it gives your YouTube app a stylish look. Actually, it was also possible before, but in order to enable it, you had to either install some APK file from an unknown source or download an application to do it. But thanks to YouTube, you can enable it very easily now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks.